So we had to lift this brick, which is 64 pounds, out of this patio without damaging anything else. And we're gonna do that by using this brick lifter right here. This is made by Marshalltown, but there's other companies that make it. You can call them brick lifters or brick tongs if you want. Now this is gonna really save you a ton of time. So I'll show you how to do it.
These brick lifters are also handy for carrying 6 to 12 bricks from one place to another. Now this brick lifter isn't the only tool that you'll need. I would recommend knee pads, a dead blow, and some hand trowels as well. I've seen people also use a shop vac to help suck out the sand between the cracks of the brick to make it easier to lift out.
So what you want to do is, first of all, get this to the right length of brick. So you want it just slightly larger than what your brick is, or your paver is. You can do that by adjusting this wing nut right here. So we've got it adjusted. We're going to set it down, and instead of putting it in the middle, we're going to put it off to the side. And you'll see why here in a minute. So we got those kind of down in the cracks. Now very gently, we're going to tap these down just to get a little bit deeper into the crack there. Here and here. So now that that's nice and tight, we don't want to put any downward pressure on the handle because it will unlock it. We only want upward pressure. So now what I'm going to do, instead of just lifting it straight out, it will bind up on me. So I want to lift it a little bit at a time, and what that's going to do is it's going to force air underneath and push the sand off to the sides, so then it's easier for me to take it out. So let's get to it. You can see it starting to work its way up. See the sand coming out? And there we go. So we pull it off to one side, then move it to the middle. Now that we get a good grip on it, you can lift the whole thing straight out, just like that. Before we put the new one back in, we want to clean off the sides because there's going to be sand that sticks along the sides. That's going to make it really difficult to get it back in. So just using a trowel, you can use a broom too, but I like using a trowel. Just gently scrape the sides. You can see it's getting it all off right here. So now that you've got it off the sides, you can see that it accumulates a little bit in the bottom corner. So that's where you scoop out a little bit, because you don't want extra, otherwise it won't sit down flat. So when you're scooping this out, don't dig the trowel into the sand. You want to lay the trowel flush on the sand, just lay it flat on the sand and slide it over and lift it up. So you're not scooping anything out. Now, all the sides are clean. We're going to drop the new one back in. So pinch it in the middle, line it up where you want it, and there you go. You've got it all back right where you want it, nice and smooth. And if you have a little bit high, just gently tap it down. Now the sand that you've taken out, you can just broom back over and you're ready to go.
I'll put a link in the description below for this brick lifter. And if you're interested in other landscaping or irrigation tips, check out these other videos.